Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, we start with a new week. Monday, March the 29th, 2021. We have here a puzzle page. This is the additional with Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. 2 tectonics, 2 binaries, and only 1 regular medium Sudoku. Yes. And let me, it's not printed well. All right. So only 1 regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 2547, and I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. All right, so it's a 2 stars Sudoku if you compare with the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. All right, so let's get started. All right, let me scan the puzzle. I see 4 8s, so let me start with the 8. We see here an 8 in this column, an 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then in this big square we have 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. All right. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the column next? So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then can I continue with the 6? Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me continue with another digit. How about 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. The 2 could be here or could be there. We have another 2 here in the middle column, so no 2 here. The 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Alright. Now I can continue with the 6. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So look, that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. How about this row? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. Well, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Okay. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, so no 7 here. So the 7 could be here, here, or there in this row. Well, another 7. I cannot place the 7 there. Here another 7, so I cannot place the 7 over there. 1 place left for the 7. Should be here. Alright. And now, let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers here are the 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 9, 4, 3. 9, 4, 3. And look, we have a 9 here and a 4 here. So no 9 and a 4 in this box. The 9 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be a 3. Okay. So 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4 in this big square. Let me continue with the 3. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number here is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. And 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. It's a pair. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between, only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those 3 numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And look, we have a 3 here, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes, 1 box left in the first column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Right, I have marked those 2 boxes with 3 and the 5 in the middle column. So now we have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Yes. How about these 2 boxes in the third column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. All right. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see there 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. All right. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Sorry, 1 box left in this column. Yes. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku Medium. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional of today's newspaper. So see you later. And don't forget. Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye-bye for now.